This breast cancer victim can't understand why the defense lawyers are pointing a finger at her, claiming that she's responsible for her delay in diagnosing her breast cancer. You want to learn what this is all about? Come join me as I share with you this remarkable information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial lawyer practicing law here in the state of New York. So now, this woman is bringing a lawsuit seeking compensation for the delay in diagnosis of her breast cancer, claiming that now her cancer has advanced significantly. It's now stage 3B, but if it was timely diagnosed, it would have only been stage 1. And during the course of the litigation, she can't understand why the defense attorneys are pointing a finger at her, claiming that she caused or contributed to the delay in diagnosis. So let me explain what's going on. So now we've claimed that various doctors delayed the diagnosis, but the defense attorneys have an obligation to try and determine whether or not the patient contributed to that delay as well. For example, if the gynecologist tells the patient, listen, I want you to go for a sonogram, I want you to have a mammogram, I want you to have a breast surgery evaluation, and now it takes the patients many, many months before those things are done, that may contribute to the patient's diagnosis, which will obviously delay her diagnosis and treatment. Let's say she goes for the various tests and is told to follow up with her gynecologist to get the results. And now it takes many months, for whatever reason, for her to return back to the gynecologist to get those results. Well, again, now there's a question of, why didn't you return back to the gynecologist? Weren't you told to come back to the gynecologist to get follow-up results? And if she did not, now there's a question of, who caused this delay? Was the doctor supposed to call you back? Should they have called you back? Should there have been a follow-up system in place? Maybe. But did the patient also contribute to that particular delay? And this will happen in virtually every failure to diagnose cancer case, where the defense attorneys are going to try and establish that you caused or contributed to your own delay. And they will pick apart every little issue and every point in time when you were told to do something, and then try and figure out, why didn't you come back as you were supposed to do? So why do I share this quick information with you? I share it with you to give you an insight and an understanding into what goes on in failure to diagnose cancer cases here in the state of New York. You know, I realize you're watching this because you have questions or concerns about your own particular matter. Well, if your matter happened here in New York and you do have legal questions, what I encourage you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. You know, this is something I do every single day, and I'd love to talk to you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, Gerry, at Oginski-law.com. That's it for today's quick video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a great day.